post-game press conference after a close ball game between the Bulls and the Tropang Liga. PNP remained victorious, and we are joined by our mini coach, Coach Chot Reyes, and our best player of the game, Alvin Octana. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chot, we saw that Meralco resurgence late in the fourth quarter. How would you articulate the way your players handled the situation and made sure to keep the Bulls at bay, especially your vets keeping the entire team's composure in crucial moments?
I would say that when they cut it down to what, 3 points or 2 points there, we called the timeout. It was a very calm huddle. We knew that they were going to come back. We had no pretensions, we had no illusions that it was going to be easy by any means. So we just reminded everyone in the timeout. We said that, okay, they're making their run. Now let's focus and just get into what we need to do. Let's sure that we're able to do what we need to get done. And that's all. In the end, the players took it upon themselves to make the necessary stops. I thought we got great contributions defensively from Kelly Williams off the bench. I thought he was big. We knew Alan Durham was going to go out and attack us after his so-so performance in our first game against them. So it was important that we had Kelly to the secondary defender tonight. So that was it.
Thanks, Coach. Now, Calvin, kanina nakita natin kung paano challenge ng Meralco si Ronde. And when your import was limited, isa ka sa mga nag-step up and took over the offensive load. I-share mo naman sa amin paano mo nagawa ito successfully together with the help ng mga other locals nyo like si Kelly Williams, who's finally back, and of course si Jason Castanet.
Siguro just being consistent na sa mga ginagawa. I've been doing that in the practice naman. So I just need to deliver in the game. Ronde, alam namin si Ronde, paano siya maglaro. And just being free sa 3 points, doon ako nililibre. Pasahan naman nila ako eh. Being unselfish sa loob ng court, yeah, I take advantage of that.
Now we open the floor to our friends from the press.
Congratulations. Kung si Kelly, naglaro na si Kelly yan. Made some good plays down the stretch. Ako crucial si Kelly going to this down the stretch ng group stage and also the playoffs.
Oh, very important. I think we have the smallest starting lineup in the league. We're starting Ronde at center, then we have Glenn Cubuntin. Obviously we have Foy coming off the bench, but Kelly gives us not only the size but the athletic ability and veteran leadership. Like tonight in the stretch, there were 2-3 possessions where we had to make a stop, and Kelly was inside to help in those defensive stops. So very big. If he any points that Kelly scored for us is really a bonus on top of what he gives us defensively and off the boards. You're right, we really need him, especially coming down the stretch, not only in this elimination round, but as we approach the playoffs.
Coach, you're now at season 1 for straight wins. 5 days off kayo, then in 3 games in like
1 week, yeah.
Yes.
Say 3 games.
So, pag natawid nyo yung coach, baka kayo na sigurado, baka number 1 na kayo sa trophy.
Pag, the operative word is pag, but we can think about that. We just think of our next game first and make sure that we are well rested. But you're right, 3 games in 1 week is going to be very tough for us. So we have to be ready.
Bumalik na yung offensive game mo after kang malure. Kamusta naman yung injury mo, Elga? Nung pakiramdam na, ayun, bumalik na yung offensive game mo at a crucial point na matatapos na yung stage.
Pasalamat lang din ako sa mga PT namin, the leader, the best, sa mga may iniinda. And lalo na kay Carlos, nakita namin. And as of now, may pain pa, may medyo masakit, pero mahirap i-baby yung mga ganitong buwan kasi wala namang strain or inikan. So kailangan ko lang igalaw, yun na rin sabi sa akin, kailangan ko lang igalaw yung buwan para masanay ako. And thanking God na yun nga, naging kuan yung health ko, bumalik na. And about sa offensive free, yun nga, sabi ko, being unselfish na sa mga kasama ko na pinapasahan ako sa labas. And sana magtuloy-tuloy.
Coach, Kim Orin started off early na parang 9 or 10 points yan the first. How important was his contribution sa game na to?
Very important. You know, we know Kim as an offensive player. He can hit those threes. But I think the key to Kim's game tonight was his early defense. He played some excellent on-the-ball defense. Kind of broke down late in the game because na-crap siya. He got an attack of craps towards the end of the third quarter where we were subbing him out already, but there was no dead ball for like the last 2 minutes. Di namin siya mailabas eh. So I think that told on his defensive effort in the fourth quarter. But we know what he brings to the table for us on offense. It's this defense that we're very, very happy with the way he has progressed from when he joined us last year to this conference. It's night and day the way he plays defense. So we're very happy about it. Yes.
Okay.
That's it for our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen, and congratulations.
Thank you guys. Hoy. Hindi ka nakapasok.
Oh, you. What did you say? You say, good night. Say thank you.
Mic check muna, mic check muna.
Coach, coach,